Xbox.
How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the speaker from a Dell Inspiron 1521. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. The first thing you're going to do is slide the latches over and remove the battery. Now remove the optical drive screw. Slide the optical drive out of the laptop. The next thing you're going to do is remove the hard drive screws. Now slide the hard drive out of the laptop. Loosen captive screws and remove wireless card door. Now unplug and loosen antenna cables. Remove bottom palmrest screws. Then remove bottom hinge screws. Next, you're going to remove the back hinge screws. Turn the laptop over and open it up. Unsnap and remove the power button cover. Then unplug and remove the Bluetooth card. Loosen the display cable screw. Then unplug and loosen the display cables. Now remove the LCD display. Next, remove the keyboard screws. And loosen the keyboard and slide it up. Unplug the keyboard cable. And remove the keyboard. Next, remove the palmrest screws. Unplug the palmrest cable. And remove the palmrest. Now you're going to remove the infrared sensor screw. And unplug and remove the infrared sensor. Next, remove the speaker screws. Unplug speaker cables and remove the speakers. Need more? Check out these other tutorials. For LCD screens, click here. For motherboards, click here. For keyboards, click here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give our video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check out partspeople.com where we have hundreds of tutorials and hundreds of thousands of parts.